Boom. Back. Strangers. I've not been doing much because Shirley's had her operation, so I've been looking after her and go at work. So, but last week with Tony, the guru, there was a load of free stones as his next door neighbour. He didn't want them in his garden, so he went and dug them out. So now I've filled it round there with stone, all the way around here and round there. So I've got 4 more bags there, 2 round there. And them 2 round there I'm going to put in here for that path. And then them 4 I'll start topping up here where he's topping up. All the way up there. There's okay, there's okay. And there's about 25 bags left, but it needs bagging up. And so that will be about 2 trips with a trailer. I left it there last week. So I'll go and get them after when that traffic's died down. And should be a good top up that. Tony's got he's got same amount of bags. So we've got a fair few bags. There's about, I reckon, about 2 ton. So it's all free. It just needs, it'll wash down now, it'll be the same colour. It's just full of mud where we dug it up from bottom. Nice bottom bag. It's like that stuff there, that's it there. This here. So that was good, wasn't it? Everything else is tidied up. That needs weeding again. Chopped all them down. Pumpkins died off or something. What's it called last night? So we'll chop that pumpkin off before it dies. I've not even started in here yet. But same as I said, I can't do anything this week because I've got to look after Shirley, obviously, sickness and health and all that. But I'll get them stones later on and put them on. But really, that's all about I've been doing. Oh, I'll put that peanut up there along that wall now where them spuds was. And what I'll do, I'll use the buckets to put my peas in. I'll straighten them up, obviously. I might put some wood round them because I'll have some left off that. Put a little wooden bed round them, and that'll be my pea bed then. So that's okay there. Plus it'll stop kids throwing stuff that way. I got fed up by the time I get to there, hopefully. But yeah, the winter jobs are coming down. We obviously snookered this week. Broad beans are still going, butter beans are still going, aren't they? Let's just forgot about them, Carol. You've got loads of tomatoes on there, look at that. Unbelievable. It's a tapestry, look. Belted. Oh, she's snapped. She's knackered anyway. He's a new bar on. They're coming down. I might come on again tomorrow and do a bit. But I'll go and get them stones after. And I'll show you us doing that. Be after when Tony finishes work. Right, I'll see you in a bit. Right. Tidied all this side today. Weeded every bed. Didn't take long. I flattened this out in here too. Ooh, there's Robbie having his breakfast. I flattened out in here and weeded, put some stones down its path. So, brilliant in here now. Just need a topping of horse manure, and that's ready for planting up whenever. Then weeds are on top there. Yeah, so stones are out there around, and I've gone up past there a bit. So I think they've probably got another 12, 14 bags each, probably. So we'll up top all that path up with that, and a bit round here. That needs a good weed killer on that path. That's been done every other week, and that's got a few weeds in there, Robin. I was going to say hello. Yeah, so tomorrow, got going in a minute now, because I've been here long enough. So I'll weed all these tomorrow. It's going to take me half an hour to do all that again. Get them all weed free, and I'll tidy up round here. These strawberries are growing into the ground, into the path where they shouldn't be. So they all have come out, put back in there. Same down that side. I'll tidy all that up, and I'll go round with the weed killer if it's dry. It's only vinegar and water. It's not rocket science. I'll rip that pumpkin out tomorrow too, because it's dead now, look. Must have caught some frost last night. Robin's busy. Yeah, still looking okay though. Just needs a spray with vinegar down these paths. Yeah, if I've got enough, I'll top them up anyway. But I'll weed killer them first. Then we're on to this next job. As soon as Shirley's up and about, I can get on with taking, well, I can start taking it down anyway, because I'm not using it. Start inside anyway, take all inside out. It's all screwed in. I'll have a million screws when this is took down. But I'll use most of this wood anyway. So it is going down there in the middle, in that square bed, that big one. I'll go over there somehow. Back up to the pole. It'll probably come to the front where the path goes in, so I'll leave all that there. Look okay. And stick it in the middle there with the path either side will do. Big bed in the middle. We'll work it out there. Yeah. So my next job is make a brew. That fire's gone out now, hasn't it? That's on. Get lights on. Yeah, fire's gone out, so I'll boil that kettle, have a brew, and then I'll go and get the rest of them stones later, if I get time. Get them bagged up at least. But yeah. So I'll see you at morning. Get all that side tidy tomorrow.